Ohio Technology University and draws inspiration from landscape, culture, and vintage style. With dreams of home, world travel, and becoming a goodwill ambassador, Maki continues to dream big with purpose and passion. Candidate number 4, Maki Ibarra. Candidate number 5. A junior information systems student specializing in data analytics and business intelligence at Samar State University. Is passionate about Asian dreams, public speaking, and community development. Aspiring to be a voice of empowerment, Jovi strives to challenge the norm while giving back to the community. Candidate number 5, Jovi Tadia. Candidate number 6, active member of Junior Chamber International and is passionate about youth leadership and service to humanity. With the dream of becoming the first Kapologano transgender woman flight attendant, she aims to break barriers, embrace diversity, and inspire others with pride and confidence. Candidate number 6, Bart Iso. She loves food, movies, and above all, beauty pageants. Dreaming to compete in Miss International Queen, she aspires to be a beauty queen with a purpose. Believing in perfect timing, Eunice continues her journey with passion and determination. Candidate number 7, Eunice Curnan. Candidate number 8. Candidate number 8 is secondary education major in English at Summer Colleges Incorporated. Passionate about travel and cultural exploration, she aspires to become a teacher and pursue opportunities abroad. Though introvert, she shines as a competitive volleyball player, a dancer, and a singer. Candidate number 8, Sophie Mabini. Lastly, candidate number 9. She aspires to be a successful beauty queen and CEO of her own beauty line. A pet lover with a soft heart for the elderly, especially with her grandmother. She lives by passion, loyalty, and dedication as she pursues her passion with purpose and love. Candidate number 9, Sam Gileadi.
Hi! Subscribe to Mac Jid's channel. Yeah. please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Subscribe to Mac Jude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang. Hello guys, please subscribe to Mac Jude's channel. Subscribe.
Mac Jude channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJud TV. Thank you.